Now you don't need to know any foreign language to create cool videos like this.
Trabajo en ambos idiomas, en inglés y en español, и no tuve que estudiarlos. Сейчас с помощью технологий ты просто загружаешь видео.
Here is step-by-step guide. Register on the heygen website or app. During the registration, you will receive 1 credit, which is currently used with heygen for various functions. Open the Video Translate tab, upload your video here. In the free version, there is 1 minute time limit and a maximum file size of 500 megabytes. It's important that your face is clearly visible on the video and looking into the camera. For example, if you have long hair, it's better to tie it back. Next, choose the language you want to translate to. I will choose Spanish. Click Translate the video. heygen will notify you that credits are required for this translation. Confirm the action. Wait a few seconds for the video to upload to heygen. Now, wait for your turn. In the free version, this can take from several hours to a couple of days. Once the procedure is complete, simply download the result.
Chicos, esto es increíble. Resulta que ahora no es necesario estudiar idiomas extranjeros.
That's all for today, so don't forget to like and comment.